So I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a TeacherTube account and then how to upload a video file as a TeacherTube video and then how to get the link in order to share it with your students on BCPS1. So if you don't already have a TeacherTube account, you're going to want to register for one first, and you just go up here to the top right and click sign in. If you're already a member, you obviously sign in, but if you do not have an account, you hit free sign up. And here you'll just have to enter some information in order to create your account. After you set up your account and you're ready to log in, I have my account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into it. Once you log into your account and it's all set up, it will bring you to your home page. So this is where you kind of just see all of your information for TeacherTube. So in order to upload a video, now that you have an account, you're ready to upload your screencasts that you made. You want to go, I think the easiest way to do it is to go back up here and click Upload. It will take you to this screen and work you through the steps to upload your video. First step is to select your file, and you're going to want to find your video file that you saved from Screencast-O-Matic. I saved mine on my desktop, so it should be here. You click on the file and you open, and you click Next. It will take a little time to upload it first, and then it's going to bring you to the details part of the video. So it'll have you entering a little bit of information about the video. I'm just going to title mine Screencast, but you would want to title yours with whatever the skill is that you're creating a screencast about. It does require a description, and actually it has a minimum of 15 characters for your description, so you really have to type something. And then it does require at least one tag, so if it's something like writing or reading or math or science, just type in whatever subject you're doing. You can select a thumbnail. I usually just pick the one that they give you, and then I almost always just pick elementary for my subject to make it easy and quick. Privacy settings, they automatically post it as public. I just keep it that way because that ensures that my students will be able to get to it, and then I click Next. It will take a while for this part. My video was super short, so it wasn't that bad, but the longer your video is, the longer it takes to process. Once you eventually get to the publishing part, here, you can see a preview of your video, all of the information. You will immediately get the URL, which would be great if you're ready to go ahead and assign that to students, or if you want to embed it. And if you have a teacher website, you can embed the video in your teacher website. That's another way students can get to it. But otherwise, you want to hit publish. This part takes a while because this part right here. Your video may be under review. Since TeacherTube is super secure and it's for educational use, they make it a point to review almost every single video that's uploaded. So it goes under review for a while, sometimes even maybe an hour or two. So if you're doing this, make sure you plan ahead and give it a little time to be approved before you're able to use the link. Because if you go to the link, if you share the link now and it's not approved yet, it will just say this video is still under review. We will let you know when it's ready. But sometimes they do it quickly, sometimes not, so it's just a matter of how much time you have. Yeah, this one says it's currently under review too. But then you can either use this link for the video, and like I said, they do play an ad, which is the only negative part of this. Or you can get your URL link here for the video and assign that link to your students on BCPS1, and it will take them to the video to watch the screencast. So that is the way that I have done it in the past. If you have any other ways that you are successful with assigning a video link to a screencast, let me know. I know if you create a Screencast-O-Matic account, I'm pretty sure that they let you upload your videos to your account on there and share it as a Screencast-O-Matic link. But other than that, this is what I've done in the past, so it's really the only thing that has worked for me so far. So go ahead and give that a try. I hope it works out for you.